flathead.
Go ahead. Go ahead and turn it the normal way how you open it. Let me see. That's the way you open it.
Yeah, but it's like
Here.
45 degrees the other way.
Let's close it. Close it back.
We're not gonna turn it.
Now.
No, we're not gonna turn it.
Okay. Now turn it. Now turn it the way you normally open.
Like that, but
Is it opening?
no.
Okay. Now turn it the other way. Can you open it now?
No. How am I gonna do this?
Oh, I can get out. I can see it. That's not a problem.
You have to take it apart then.
No. I'm trying to figure out why. How come I can open it and you couldn't? Okay. Now we're all locked in. Now go ahead and turn. Okay. Got it. Now I'm gonna push down a little bit. No, turn. Yep. Hold it. Okay. Keep on turning more. Right there. Keep holding that. Don't let go. Now it's unlocked. Pull it up.
Okay.
So basically, when you turn all the way one direction, push down a little bit and turn a little bit more, and then it came out apart and then lift up.
Okay, so what it did was, instead of being how it should be, it just rotated a 45 degree.
Okay.
You got it open, dude. So we just switched it